First, let's understand why this matters after age 60. Inflammation increases as we get older. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main culprits behind joint pain, like osteoarthritis or stiffness, and heart disease, plaque in arteries, high blood pressure. Muscle and tissue repair slows down, so damage from poor diet accumulates more. Other risk factors, like high cholesterol, high blood sugar, sedentary lifestyle, often come together with diet, and they magnify effects on joints and cardiovascular system. Real-life example, Mrs. Singh, age 68, noticed her knees hurt more, and heart tests showed slightly raised cholesterol. She was eating a lot of processed, fried, sugary foods. After cutting back, her joint pain reduced, and even blood markers improved. So what you eat every day can help you protect heart walls, reduce swelling in joints, and improve mobility, mood, and comfort.